guys, into this video, I want to share with you on how to fix please check your internet connection and try again problem. Yung problema ang hindi natin mabasa ang ating messages because it keeps on popping up na kailangan nating i-check ang ating internet connection kahit meron naman tayong data at wifi connection. Yung tipong na-try mo na po lahat pero hindi pa rin gumana. Usually po, yung mga nakaka-encounter nito is yung maraming ka-chat and maraming group na sinasalihan. Yung may kasab-to-sub, ka-BLS, and newbie sa YouTube just like me. Okay, let's start. Kailangan po nating i-open ang ating Facebook or Messenger account sa computer guys or sa browser ng cellphone natin kasi kapag sa Messenger application ay hindi po siya gagana.
1.
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy word, well like a fairy tale.
After po natin open guys, dapat po natin i-delete yung mga message na hindi na importante.
Time, pumping sweet cake, cookie friends, well this is my place for you.
Click po natin ang 3 dots and click delete chat.
And seal your December, 'cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy day. Wake up, lazy birds. Where is your home? Take me there. It makes me feel free, alright. Lollipolly, don't say bye. Just turn it up, it makes me smile. I need a little time from you. Still I remember and seal your December.
Dapat din pong mag-leave tayo sa ibang group natin. Pero dapat tayong magpaalam guys ha.
Think of happy days. Still I
Kapag tapos na po tayong mag-delete ng chat and pag-leave sa group, i-close na po natin ang browser and i-check
I have Mr. Wonderful.
and it's working na guys. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo guys. Please click the thumbs up if nagustuhan nyo po ang video neto. Leave a comment po if nakatulong ako and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod kong videos. Always remember guys, don't forget to pray because it will make our life easy. Bye bye!